We are in a basic Korean grammar series and this is part 2. In this video, we are going to be learning topic markers 은 and 는. Coming up! 안녕하세요. Hey, what's up? Kim Sam here, and this is Teacher Kim's Korean class, bringing you the best quality Korean lessons on social media. Today is very special to me. You know, I'm supporting Korean learners on YouTube and Facebook. I started teaching Korean on YouTube last month, and now I have more than 1,000 subscribers, and my Facebook group has now more than 20,000 learners. Wow! I think I'm one of the happiest Korean teachers of the world. Thank you guys. I will do my best. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. I'm uploading my video lessons twice a week, including conversation, vocabulary, useful expression, Korean alphabet for absolutely beginner, and grammar just like these videos. And I'm writing free books for my subscribers, so you will get a massive value from my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to be learning topic markers 은 and 는. 안녕하세요. 저는 피터예요. 고향은 서울이에요. 안녕하세요. 저는 피터예요. 고향은 서울이에요. Okay, I'm gonna be breaking down these sentences. These are very simple sentences that I'm introducing myself. It started from 안녕하세요, which means hello. I believe that you already know this greeting, right? And 저는 피터예요. Peter is my English name, and we learned 이에요 and 예요 in the previous video. If you missed the one, push the card link there. And we found topic marker 는 here. When the topic marker attached to a noun, something happens that the noun becomes the topic or the theme of the sentence, right? You can see topic marker 는 attached to a noun 저, which means I. So the topic of the sentence is 저. 저는. This sentence is talking about 저, me. And the following words in the sentence are introducing the topic. 피터예요. I'm Peter. So 저는 피터예요 means I'm Peter, right? Let's have a look at the next sentence. 고향은 서울이에요. 고향 means hometown, and Seoul is city name, the capital of South Korea. In the sentence, we can see another topic marker 은 here. So what is the topic of the sentence? Yes, 고향, hometown. The sentence is talking about hometown, right? And another part of the sentence, 서울이에요, introduce the topic. 고향은 서울이에요. My hometown is 서울. Easy? Okay, so when can we put 는 and 은? It is easy. It depends on preceding noun. If the noun ends with a vowel, we put 는, like 저는. And if the preceding noun has a proper consonant, that means the noun ends with a consonant, we put 은 rather than 는, like 고향은. 저는 고향은. Do you understand? Are you sure? Okay. Here's a quiz. I'm showing you a short conversation, and can you put the correct topic marker in the blank? Peter says, 마이클 학생이에요? And Michael answers, 아니요, 저 경찰이에요. Did you find the answer? Let's have a look at the first sentence. 마이클 is someone's name, Michael, and 학생 means student. So the sentence says, is Michael a student? And we can see Michael ends with a consonant 을 sound, 리을. So we attach 은 rather than 는. 마이클은 학생이에요? And Michael said, 아니요, which means no. 저 something 경찰이에요. 경찰이에요 means I'm policeman. So which one? 은 or 는? Yes, the word 저 ends with a vowel 어, so we put 는 rather than 은. 저는 경찰이에요. I'm a policeman. Good. One more thing I want to point out is pronunciation of topic marker 은 and 는. Because many Korean learners, even some advanced learners, pronounce them in the wrong way. What I mean is that don't make a circle with your lips when pronouncing vowel It is not nun nor un. Make your lips look like flat. Then vocalize. 은, 는. Got it? 저는 고향은. Practice. Question of the day. Nice to meet you. By the way, 고향은 어디예요? Where is your hometown? Tell me your answer in Korean using the topic marker 는 or 은 in the description below. Thank you guys. I will see you in another video. 안녕.